In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record using Canva. Whether you're creating an engaging tutorial, a presentation, or simply want to capture what's on your screen for later, Canva offers an intuitive and straightforward tool to help you do just that. Let's dive right into it and make screen recording a breeze with Canva. Alright, first things first, you're going to want to have Canva open. Once you're inside the Canva interface, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. The first step is to click on Uploads. This is where you typically manage all your imported files and is also the starting point for accessing the screen recording features. By clicking here, you open up a set of options that allow you to manage your media efficiently. Now moving on to the second step, with the Uploads panel open, you'll see various options like upload files, images and videos. What you're looking for is the option that says record yourself. This might not be immediately apparent, but once you spot it, give it a click. This action will take you to the recording interface, where Canva offers options for either video recording or screen recording. What's really neat about this feature is that it helps you easily switch between recording your screen alone or including a video of yourself. That way you can personalize your tutorial with a face-to-face introduction or commentary. Now that you're in the recording interface, the third step is as simple as pressing record. When you click on this button, Canva initiates a countdown to give you a moment to prepare before starting. This is particularly useful because it ensures you're ready before the recording begins. If it's your first time using this tool, you may have to grant permission for Canva to access your microphone and camera, so keep an eye out for any permission prompts that pop up. Once the recording starts, you can capture everything that's happening on your screen. Whether you're switching between tabs, demonstrating clickable actions, or narrating along, it's all captured in the session. After you've finished recording what you need, Canva conveniently lets you stop the recording and review it immediately. This way, if something didn't go quite as planned, you can always redo it without saving unwanted files. Utilizing this screen recording feature in Canva has become a valuable tool for many users who need to create clear and dynamic video content. It's all about enhancing your creativity while simplifying the technical aspects so you can focus on your message. So there you have it. Now, armed with these simple steps, you can explore the full potential of Canva's screen recording feature to enhance your projects. Thanks for watching and happy recording.